Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today's video is all about Ooty and Kannur and how you can cover these places in 2 days. So we are traveling from Bangalore. On the way to our Ooty, we encountered these beautiful sunflower fields. Look at them, how beautiful they are, how mesmerizing the view is. कहते हैं ना जब मंजिल से ज़्यादा खूबसूरत रास्ता हो तो सफ़र और भी सुहाना हो जाता है. In case of Ooty, it's ditto the same. The guys who were guarding these fields were charging rupees 20 per head in order to allow you to click the pictures or to shoot the videos here. After taking some videos and shooting some pictures for our Instagram, we moved ahead. रास्ते में जो views थे उनका तो क्या ही कहना. Moving ahead and now we are gonna enter in Bandipur National Park. And ahead of that is Mudumalai Tiger Reserve. At first we went to the cafe, a very famous cafe actually, that's name is Le Cafe. So it's almost 3 p.m. in the noon and we are here. Actually यहाँ पर काफ़ी ठंड है, the weather is quite cold. So once we entered Ooty, the weather was quite cold, but the view was quite amazing and you can see how beautiful this place is, how beautiful the nearby cafes and shops are. And this market is called Little Earth Market. इसके बारे में detail video आपको मेरी दूसरी video में मिल जाएगी, which I have already posted. So after observing around and after just checking out few places in this area, we decided to go to Le Cafe only and order something. I won't say that the food was very great. The food was okay of average quality. After having some food and some relaxation time, we moved ahead and went to our destination which was Kannur. I would suggest कि अगर आप ऊटी भी जा रहे हो, still you book your stay at Kannur because of the obvious reason the stay is amazing. They have beautiful tea gardens, tea plantation, and it's quite far from the city noises. Also, it's just 15 km from Ooty. The resort has direct entry to the tea plantation area or
पीछे कुछ व्यू ही नहीं है। लाओ मैं करके सकते हैं।
मिनट पर प्लेटफॉर्म क्रमांक 2 से जाएगी பயணிகளின் கனிவான கவனத்திற்கு வரிசை எண் 0614.
Right now we are in Toy Train Kannur to Ooty. You can book the ticket either from the website of IRCTC or you can just directly buy them from the station on the day you are traveling. But मैं आपको suggest करूँगी you should buy the tickets directly from the IRCTC website when you have the chance. Let's enjoy our ride. So the in front of water body which you all can spot is the Ooty Lake. You can definitely go there, do some boat ride and enjoy the view and enjoy your day. We are almost near the Ooty station and we are just about to reach. So we are almost at Ooty station. The nearby places which you can visit is definitely that Ooty Lake और Rose Garden. ये दोनों ही जगह Ooty station से काफ़ी पास में है. Inside this heritage museum, you can spot many different kinds of articles and artifacts, which I'm not sure what were there. Most of them I was not able to recognize, but you had the brief description about them attached, so you can read definitely. One thing which I was able to spot or which I knew what are they were this wall clock and this Petromax and then some coal block. Over and all, it was short, cute and nice. I think when you are at Ooty station, you can just spend 5 minutes and visit this place. And later onwards, we came outside and as soon as we came out of the station, the weather was too cold and we had to buy some caps. आप जब भी ऊटी जाओ, then do remember to pack cap and some jackets and coats and also some warmers because it's gonna really be cold. Next up, we went to explore the market. The market was okay, nothing very different. I cannot figure out that something different was there. It was like ordinary market which we already have in our city. So there was nothing which can be bought specially from here. But definitely there were many bakeries and they had lovely snacks in them, like they had many beautiful cakes, pastries and all over kind of bakery items. So bakeries were awesome in Ooty. You can definitely visit there, have some snacks, enjoy some cookies, cakes, whatever you want. Actually the bakeries were quite interesting and they had awesome coffee and tea. Apart from bakeries, you can buy Ooty chocolates which are famous throughout the country or throughout the world. इतना घूमने के बाद थोड़ी भूख लग गई थी, so we went to a multi-cuisine restaurant Angara which is quite famous all over the Ooty. The place was really crowded but the food was amazing, the ambience was amazing and we really enjoyed our meal.
ये क्लियर कर दो और एक हो गया क्लियर वहाँ पे।
Hi, it's next day morning and we have checked out from our hotel. After roaming so much in Ooty, we were back to Kunur and now we are going towards Tea Museum and after that we'll move back towards Bangalore. रास्ते में हमें मिले ये amazing places जहाँ पर हमने रुक करके थोड़ी फोटोग्राफी करी and थोड़े वीडियो शूट्स करे. Now we are at Tea Factory and the detailed video about this place and also about how the teas are made and what and all things you can buy from here is available already on my channel guys. I'll give the link in the description so you can go and definitely check it out from there. This tea museum is located on the top of a mountain and you had to climb these stairs in order to reach here. The view from this place was also amazing. You can look how beautiful the front mountains or front places are looking. चलो 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 आप इस म्यूज़ियम में सिर्फ घूम नहीं सकते, बहुत सारी खरीदारी भी कर सकते हैं. द डिटेल वीडियो इज़ ऑलरेडी अवेलेबल ऑन माई चैनल. एंड नाउ वी हैड लेफ्ट फॉर बैंगलोर. रास्ते में हमने खाई ये टेस्टी मैगी एंड देन वी स्टॉप बिकॉज ये वेजिटेबल्स बहुत ज़्यादा टेम्पटिंग लग रहे थे एंड दीज फ्रूट्स वर ऑल्सो वेरी टेम्पटिंग. सो वी टेस्टेड देम, दे वर सुपर टेस्टी. While coming back from the Ooty, you can also cover shooting spot and also Pine Forest where the movie Raz was shot. So yeah, that's all in this video guys. Video किसी भी reason से अच्छी लगी हो then do give it a big thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Also do not forget to hit the bell icon so that next time when I upload a video you all get notified. My Instagram handle is on the screen, so do follow me on Instagram and also share this video with your friends and family. कोई भी feedback हो, कोई भी comment हो, do let me know in the comment section. And remember, I love you all and I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Bye bye.